Hello and welcome to Octodad, Deadliest Catch, or Friendliest Catch as we call it. I am Everett.
And I am Preston, and I'm still here.
He is still here. We are playing co-op, Octodad. And this is part 2.
Yeah.
So we're gonna continue. Yeah.
Home sweet home.
Okay. There's like an octopus leg. But he only has like 4 legs.
Or
What are those things on his like neck?
What are those?
Don't even.
I won't.
I'm controlling the left arm. He's controlling the legs again. We may change it next time.
Kitchen this way.
Okay, turn off the alarm. It's stupid. I want to open that cabinet. Yeah.
Ransack it.
Did I wear my suit to sleep? I have no arm.
Maybe
so.
it's because of the reception.
Maybe because of my arm. My disability.
That's all you own, suits. Get to the alarm.
Let's just let's get to the kitchen. A lamp.
Ignore the lamp.
No, my arm is stuck.
Hey, look, Dad's up.
I'm not joking.
Morning, Daddy.
I can't do anything. Oh,
Our kids would be very strange, wouldn't they?
apparently they aren't.
Maybe they're
Daddy,
human.
will you get me a unicorn?
Probably not. Blah. Sorry for my baby.
I'm gonna destroy your trays.
One of these days.
Will I? Stop. Let go of things. They're watching me, remember?
Oh yeah.
Always watching.
Oh, we got to the kitchen.
Up.
I am
Nice
fine.
to see you, sleepyhead.
Throw this table at you.
Have you seen my Salty Hearts novel anywhere?
No, I haven't.
Oh, I think it's up there with the soup.
Oh,
Is it? The coffee?
Yeah.
No, that's soup.
Okay. Oh, there's the coffee machine.
Over there? Is that a mixer though?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
There it
that's
is.
the
There's the
coffee.
coffee. Did that newspaper just come out of nowhere?
No, it was always there.
Are you sure?
We'll check in the video later.
Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. I'm gonna grab the chair.
Oh, do we need to put some...
We have to push the button. That worked. Okay. Hold on to the button.
Oh, we need that stuff. See that flour stuff?
Oh yeah, the coffee.
Get the coffee bits.
Ah! What?
You are injured.
Can you
Walk
walk away?
away.
Yeah. Okay.
You've spent so much more time with us lately.
What if his arm just stretched throughout the whole game?
Yeah, possible.
Okay, stand on like the table. Try and
So it's a
stand.
mustache.
So then I can grab
I
it.
can't stand on the table.
Yeah, you can. I think you just almost got there.
Yes, I'm on the counter.
I can't get it.
I got an interview
Try.
with the mayor,
Harder.
and I tore him apart verbally.
Okay, I almost got it. Oh, okay.
Our wife has just ripped someone to bits.
I caught her today eating a whole wedding cake,
Eh.
and nobody was getting married.
Oh, I almost got it. Okay. Okay.
You
Just stay there, Preston.
Now, I'll be out of town on assignment.
Bruh, how does no one notice that he's an octopus?
I think they do. I think they just
They just say, "Oh, he's just special."
just grab it off.
I can't. Okay, just shh.
Well, I can't be caught shooting it.
Feel the hand.
Okay, I feel you, hand. Now go up. Now we go.
My typewriter is out of ink. We've got more somewhere, right?
Maybe. If
Oh,
we don't.
I did it!
Yes. Look, you're spilling it. You're a failure.
Yes!
Now button eyes. Let it go. So you have to hold it down.
While you're waiting on your coffee, could you bring Stacy some milk?
Soon I'll be 100 feet tall.
That's a lie. I
Where's
want
the
that
milk?
table. Nah, probably in the fridge.
Fridge? Okay, come to the fridge. Let's open the fridge.
Okay.
Is it? No.
Oh, there's the milk. There's the milk.
No, it's not
I
in
saw
there.
it. Yeah, it is. Look, it's shiny.
Oh, it's chocolate milk.
So?
Chocolate milk does not got. Chocolate milk is not milk.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's
I
chocolate.
saw a blue jay the other day.
With
And
milk
a
in it. It's
cardinal.
not.
It's still milk. Eat it!
Dad, soon my bones will be made of steel.
Your coffee is ready,
You
sweetie.
are an idiot, little girl.
Maybe she has plans to be a cyborg.
Over again?
I think she gets it after her father.
Maybe it's literally. Maybe it's. Do octopus even. Are octopus invertebrates?
I don't know.
They may be.
Oh, look, a fire.
Fire.
Oh, I just lost something for that.
Coffee. Grab the coffee.
I want the coffee. I want to be the #1 dad.
I made your
Yeah!
coffee the way you like it. Sea salt and tartar sauce.
Yum. Okay, go outside.
Now that you're energized, I need you
This is
to
fun.
serve some
Okay.
into that
Okay.
jar.
Ah.
Dad, are
Fireworks.
hamburgers really made out of ham?
Yes.
No.
Oh. What if they were made from ponies?
Walk away. Oh, there it is.
Grab it.
It's a
Get it.
horse for the backyard. It'll eat the grass
Okay.
and be our new super
Throw
cool
the hamburger.
lawnmower.
Yay.
Good. Next one.
Yeah, we need a battle horse to protect the
They
family.
need a battle horse.
That's
That
a
would be
yellow.
awesome.
I would love a
I
battle.
would.
Oh,
Yeah, just in case.
Lurbish.
Okay, I'm almost there.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, it's such a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, the birds are singing.
Does no one know? Why does this guy not have like medical
Yes,
assistance?
even
Yeah.
boys are happy to be
He
outside
needs it.
today.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's a bad thing if my foot is on that.
Don't get too comfortable, dear. I've got a busy day planned for the whole
Do you really think this is comfortable? Oh, let's go.
Take it!
It's a
Take it.
surprise.
Closer still.
I'm just gonna throw it.
We can hurt her.
Birds are so
Oh no, I need the hamburger.
We can injure our daughter. Should we injure her?
If I could out.
Sorry.
Sorry for hitting you with that.
Well, you kind of deserve
I'm gonna
it.
get a second approach at this, okay?
Okay, you need a running start. Okay.
With my beautiful running skills.
Oh, no, so close. No, he doesn't. She doesn't need ketchup. She doesn't like ketchup.
We'll just see about that.
Yes!
Thanks, Dad.
Weed in the garden.
Delicious.
Okay. Why do they have like an axe?
Yeah. Can you pick up the axe?
Dad,
Yeah!
Come here. We need to hit our daughter with an axe.
Yes! She's just that much of an idiot. Die, potato! Yeah! Will she just go ow?
I think she probably will. We
Okay,
have an indestructible sister.
let's get the
Get the mower from the shed. Giving us a lawnmower would probably be a very bad idea.
Okay, they have way too many
Get out all the
basketballs.
balls.
They have way too many basketballs for a grass backyard.
Yeah, they really do.
And they don't even I don't remember seeing any soccer goals.
You should have seen this spiral I threw the other day.
They have way too many of them. And they're all the same brand.
100.
That's the thing that bothers me.
Yeah, do you have the... There, we're out.
No, I need to grab it. Okay, got it.
Tommy, why do you have so
Just walk
many
around. I can
footballs?
get it.
They're
No,
all
I
different.
need that one.
Special.
Lawnmowering like a pro. We should title this video that. Lawnmowering like a pro.
If we don't, then it'll be kind
They're
of
like
weird.
dollies.
So we should.
Some are for playing,
It would be like we should
And
title
some are
this
for
when you're
playing
watching the video,
and some
and then
No,
it
they're not.
wouldn't be
Not like
actually
that.
titled that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Are these really weeds?
Or are they bananas?
Those are only at the wedding place.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I just said bananas.
Dad, the way you're mowing the lawn reminds me of this one
Okay.
episode of Sports Johnson where he goes back and
Birds
forth
don't
with
like their
his
birdhouse
son.
or their bird
Jimmy Gibb.
feeder,
He
whatever.
and his son have to
No,
train
bird
even
take
in
it.
the
Watering
soccer match.
area.
Wait.
And they do.
Stop spitting your mouth around.
We're gonna play
Okay,
I
just
will
walk.
walk. Chop some firewood. Axe time!
Oh, we already did that.
No, we didn't. Where did we put the axe?
Why did they cut it?
We decapitated our daughter.
Oh, there's the axe. Brah! Didn't we just like cut off our legs?
We attempted to.
I mean, we still walk the same and everything, so
Yeah. Doesn't really matter.
we cut off. We already did this.
No, we didn't. Oh, you have to put down the axe. No, grab a piece of not chopped wood.
Okay.
Put it on the thing. And then
Now
grab
grab the basketball.
the
That worked.
That worked somehow.
Do I have to chop all of it?
Yeah.
That's stupid. Okay. Can you go for a running start?
Sure.
Oh, never mind. Never mind. I got it. I almost got the axe.
Okay, there we go. Like,
I want the recycling bin.
Like, it.
Chop it with a recycling bin.
That's why I walked away.
It's like that plastic wrap. I could chop it with that plastic wrap stuff that they sell.
Get the axe.
And like,
Good.
rubber
Let go of
band
the axe.
Like, you know how rubber band balls come in that stupid packaging?
And decapitate the wood.
Doesn't that imply that it has a head?
Yes.
I just threw an axe.
Didn't we just do this? Weed the garden.
No, we. Oh, there's a weed.
I love when you slide it.
Thank you.
No! Oh, my flowers!
Sorry.
There's the garden. Bah!
You have to blow on the weeds and make a wish.
No, those are weeds.
That's weed. Weeds.
Well, geez, real wishes.
Okay, walk.
Everyone knows that.
Slowly. Okay. Oh,
Grab the gnome. Throw the gnome.
that didn't work. What's the plural of weed? Wed? We wed the garden.
I should
We
take
did.
some insecticide before they eat.
I think it's just.
Oh, there's a tie thing on the top. Remember, we got that in the last
That's
episode?
cool.
Mom,
No, it's not a bow tie.
I got a splinter from the table.
Are you dead
Yes.
or
Is he
dying?
dead?
Are you dead or dying?
Okay.
If not, I don't care.
Who has a seesaw in their backyard?
I do.
You
I
do?
did at one point. Yeah.
Not that many people have a seesaw in their backyard.
We're special.
Like these people. And all the creepy garden gnomes everywhere. I can't. Can you, like, jump somehow?
Maybe. No. I can try to walk up the
Maybe I
tree.
can run it. I mean, throw it, not run it.
Should I try walking up the tree? Okay. That's gonna fail.
Okay.
Okay.
A seesaw.
No, you gotta lift it up as high as you can.
I can't do it higher.
Here.
Can I, like, pass it to your leg and you use it with your
If
leg?
I could grab things from the leg, I would. But no, I can't.
Okay. Or we need to finish this episode soon. It's at 12 minutes.
Oh yeah, this is going
30 seconds. Okay. How do we do this?
I don't actually know.
Hang up the birdhouse? Just hook it.
What?
Why did that happen?
Daisy, why are you pouring ketchup in your brother's drink?
I'm just trying to make a potion.
Just a
Well,
potion.
dear, I've got a book on chemistry that'll teach you to make real potions.
Yes, because that's what chemistry is.
Okay, I don't know how to do this. What do I... What? No, I think we need to do this.
Get it done. Sorry, people that are watching me, if you're really bored.
Yeah, this is... I'm surprised you're still watching this video.
If you
If
are,
you are, leave a thumbs up.
yeah, like this video if you're still watching.
Yeah. If you aren't still watching, dislike it.
Yes.
Because you're not watching.
If you're not watching this, dislike it. Watch this video, get a ton of dislikes.
Okay. Okay. Put it up on tree. Yeah.
Wait, grab it. Up.
Maybe I can throw a garden gnome at it. It'll work. Okay.
I'm lifting my leg up because I think that'll help.
Because you're a ballerina.
I'm a ballerina.
Okay, I don't
You
understand.
got it close. Here, put it like that, and then yeah, keep it going. And then I think if you let go. Nope. Oh God. What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Maybe there's a ladder we can grab.
Yeah. Maybe we can get the slide ladder. Somehow.
Can we push the slide?
The thing is,
I use the slide.
I don't remember how I did this. I got to the grocery store and then. Okay, let's go somewhere else to look for something. Oh, it's reset.
What reset? The burner?
Yeah, maybe we can put it. Maybe we need to grab it from the top. The Oh, okay. Stand in the right position to pick up a birdhouse. I don't know. Did I grab it? I got it. Oh, just stand like that some more. And you're gonna do the. Okay. You almost got it.
Okay, let me get it closer.
I wonder what we said we were gonna call this. I forgot.
Next gen mowing skills.
What? No. Remember we said we were gonna call it something?
Yeah, the lawnmower thing.
Yeah, I forgot.
Lawnmower like a pro. No. Lawnmowering.
I don't know. Okay, we just need to get this up there.
Get it up.
Okay. This is getting really long. Okay.
Hang up the birdhouse.
Okay.
Here, is this? Can I change the view area angle?
No. Then this game would be too easy. Can I get my wife's help?
Yeah, there we go. Why can't she do this?
Yeah.
You have actual hands. Yet you make me do this.
Watch this be an. Okay.
Watch someone post in the comments a video of them doing this in like 10 seconds.
Yeah.
I almost just said you needed to pick it up in your other hand.
Oh. I was.
No.
Run. How about you try the arms and I'll try the legs?
How do you control the arm?
Just use the mouse. Okay. How do I control the legs? What?
I've
Is that
got
good?
you now.
That was terrible. Oh, that chef dude does not like us. Okay, I'll do the arms again. How do I stop this?
I prefer that. If
Oh, I just hit the other gnome.
can't.
Oh, you almost got it. This is just slow now. Yay, did it. Okay, so that just falls off randomly and it still hung on from that?
Yeah. I don't. Maybe it was really windy. Maybe it's because the fan was blowing.
Oh, he is good. I'm surprised they didn't make us do that. That would
Anyway,
have taken
I have a
longer than
surprise for the
birdhouse
whole family. A free trip to the aquarium.
The aquarium.
I can go home.
I know you think aquariums are festering prisons of iniquity, but I've got to write an article for the paper. Can't you make an exception this time?
No.
Honey? Oh, groceries. We need to go to the grocery store. We need things like cereal for the
Killers.
kids. Right, kids?
Well, we already have cereal.
We need so much cereal. Then it's settled. We're all going to the grocery store. I want Sports Johnson cereal and pizza and soda and chocolate milk.
And I want an apple.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. You may have heard Preston just say that just now.
Not great. It was
Yeah, it was pretty terrible whispering. I saw it on the mic levels. Okay, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Well, I might not, but he will.
Yeah, bye. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, bye.